Welcome to my English Learning Academy. Hi friends, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. To a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss some amazing facts about the English, and it's very interesting because I research a lot on this matter and then I'm making this video. That's why I'm telling to you you should watch this video till the end and you are going to be very enjoy. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon because it motivates me to make more and more video. So let's start the video. Do you know how much people speak English across the world? Guess how much people speak English? I am going to tell you. And the number of the people telling English currently is 850 million. Can you imagine how much the number it is? And this is not their second language, this is their first language. That's why I'm telling you. You know how much countries using English as an official language? You are amazing when you heard the number. 67 countries are using English as an official language. And do you know 27 countries using language non-sovereign country like Hong Kong? Can you imagine how much words are per year added in the dictionary? You can't imagine 4,000 words. Even we are not learning 4,000 words per year, and but per year 4,000 words are added to the dictionary. That's why this is a very amazing facts. And you don't know the most common used adjective in the English? The good is the most commonly used adjective in the English. Do you know most common used noun in the English? Time is the most common used noun in the English. Do you know about the most oldest used word in the English? Town is the most oldest English in the world. And this is very fact, and this is the amazing fact. That's why I'm telling to you. And after the it all the things are the entertainment side of the English. That's why I'm telling to you. And after doing this thing, I am coming on my main topic. My main topic is how to improve our English. And for this you have to do certain things that can help you to improve in English. I know if you are trying a lot in your life, you will not going to fail, because a lots of students might come on a daily basis that they will not they are not able to speak English ever in their life. But I want to tell them you can do, but you have to do certain things. Failures comes in your life. It doesn't mean the success will not come in your life. Success come because it takes time. If success is very easy, so anyone can attain it, but no, it's very hard to achieve. Failure is if you are doing repeat failure becomes your success. Perform your duty, don't think about your result. That's the method that can help you to improve your life. That's I'm telling to you. And you can if you want to improve your English, please think in English. No, a lots of people I see, they are translating in their mind from Hindi to English, and it's a very boring and it's affect your fluency. That's why I'm saying to you, you should not never you should not translate Hindi from English in your mind. That's I telling I'm. And if you want to do something in your life, you have to be practicable. And the practicable thing of the English, you have to practice 4 core skill of the English: reading, writing, and speaking, listening. These are the only things that you can, after doing this, you can become fluent in English. And these are the very good things. And the most important thing is the listening. You should listen a lot, because you can listen audiobooks, because audiobooks are very important nowadays. You know, lots of audiobooks are available on the internet, and you can easily access the audiobook and easily listen them. And you should listen the audiobook books on 2x speed, because you have no time. No, now is the very busy time. That's why I'm telling you should listen the audiobooks 2x, and it's very easy to complete in one book. Is a very and you should listen audiobooks of something secrets like the book Success Like book. You should not entertaining books. You should read a lot, listen a lot the successful books. That's are very important to improve English. And you can do a lots of things. You can talk with yourself in the front of the mirror, because mirror technique is a very good. If you are talking in front of the mirror, you are not only learning English, you are also improving your communication skill. It's very important. Communication skill is the skill that can change your life. If you have a communication skill, you can interact with easily with people. That's why I'm telling to you, you should learn how to communicate with people. And there are many things to learn in life. That's why I'm telling to you, you should not waste your time here and there, because now the pandemic is going on. You have a lots of time in your day. You should start the learning any language like English. And if you want to learn English, you should stick with my channel, and I'm going to make a lots of video on this. You can see at me that I am also a first viewer. I am also a learner. I am not fluent in English because I have no environment, but I am trying to learn, and I feel that I am succeeding in it. And I that's why I'm making video, because I can boost your confidence that you can also learn English. I am not your teacher. I am your friend. That I am here to not teach you. I am tell you that you have a capability to do anything. You have only need of determination. Because if you have a determination, it's going to be okay. It's really, you will fail. It's okay. There is no problem. There is no problem. It's okay. But you have to keep on. It's a very good. No, definitely there is a problem will come in your life, but it doesn't mean that you should give up. No problem comes in your life to strengthen you, to give you motivation to keep on in your life. That's why it's important. But no, God give you problems so that you can improve in your life. That's why God's give you a lots of problem. And obviously you feel some no, everyone feeling their life, so sometimes low motivation. It's a parts of life. It's not, you should not give up in your life. That's why I'm telling you, you should keep on. It's only come to you when you are working hard and giving time to your success. The secret of success is hard work, firm belief, and uncompromising faith on the God. That's why I'm telling to you, you can learn English. And please guys, watch this video till the end. This is going to help you a lot in your process of learning. It's not a journey, it's a journey, it's not a process. That's why I'm telling to you. And ever you should not give up, ever and never. That's why you should not give up, because I am emphasizing the word give up, because I see a lots of my friends who very fastly give up. That's why they have capability to do a very thing, but the quality of the give up, the habit of give up make them very miserable. That's why I'm telling you, you should not give up, and you should keep on in your life. You are going to speak English. I have a fact that you have 1 year, you can learn English 1 year, but you are definitely learning English. That is my mission in my life. So please like the video, and please thank you for watching my video.
Thank you for watching my video.